In example 4, we're going to go ahead and graph the equation 4x minus 8y equals 16, and we're going to use the shortcut by using the slope and the y-intercept. Now, this one's a little bit different than the example above because y is not already by itself. So we actually have to solve for y first. To do that, I'm going to start by rewriting my problem. So we have 4x minus 8y equal to 16. And I'm going to solve for y first by subtracting 4x from both sides. Doing that, I get negative 8y equal to 16 minus 4x. Then I'm going to divide everything by negative 8. And if I do that, I get y is equal to negative 2 plus 1/2 x. From here, I can go ahead and graph. First thing I need to know is what my slope is. And my slope, remember, is coming from the number that's in front of my x, which is the 1/2. So my slope is 1/2, which tells me since it's positive on the top that I'm going to be going up, and I'm going to go to the right since that 2 is positive. Or I can do the complete opposite and go down and to the left. Then I also need to know what my y-intercept is. My y-intercept, remember, is that number being added to the x term, and in this case it's negative 2. So as an ordered pair, that would be the point 0, comma, negative 2. And when I graph it, I'm going to start with the point 0, negative 2, my y-intercept. And then I'm going to use my slope. From there, I'm going to go up 1 and to the right 2. Gives me the point 2, negative 1. I can do that again. Go up 1 to the right 2. Gives me the point 4, 0. I can do it again if I want to. So from here, I'd go up 1 to the right 2, bringing me to 6, 1. And remember, I can also do the opposite. So if I was here, I could also go here. I could go down 1 and to the left 2, bringing me to the point negative 2, negative 3. And I can make as many points as I want to get myself a nice straight line. Now I'd like you to do, there are 2 problems down below. The first one deals with example 3, and the second one is more similar to example 4. Once you have done them both, then you can unpause it and check your answer. If you did number 1 correctly, you should have a slope of 4, and remember that's 4 over 1, and you should have your y-intercept at 0, negative 1. So I'd start at my y-intercept here, and I'm going up 4 and right 1. Or remember, you could go down 4 and to the left 1. So there's my first one. Remember, your line should be way better than mine. Use a straight edge. Make sure you get through all your points. Then in number 2, you should have solved for y first. Solving for y, the first thing you should have done was subtract 2x from both sides, giving you negative 3y equal to 12 minus 2x. And then you should have divided everything by negative 3, ending up with y equal to negative 4 plus 2/3 times x. So this gives you a slope of 2/3 and a y-intercept of negative 4. So the graph, we should have our y-intercept at negative 4, and we're going up 2 and to the right 3. You could also go down 2 and to the left 3. And then make sure you have your nice line drawn in. If you have questions on graphing using the slope and y-intercept, please let me know.